It's Coach Jess, and today we're talking about how to master your lunge. This movement, as we advance, we'll start moving with, but for now, this is going to be stationary. First step is foot placement. When you do a lunge, you don't want to have your feet placed as if you're on a tightrope or a balance beam. Your feet should not be directly behind one another. The back leg should be a little bit offset. So if I'm in the position facing you, notice I take my right leg, I just step right back. Okay? So from a standing shoulder width apart, just stepping right back with that back leg. From there, once my legs are straddled, I want to make sure I open up my stride. So if my feet are like this, it's going to make my lunges look like this, which is going to hurt my knees. So I want to start with really bringing that leg back within my mobility. From there, I'm tucking my hips under, activating my core to help control my body in the movement. My hands are placed on my hips or holding my dumbbells. From there, I want to bend my back knee to about 90 degrees and my front knee to about 90 degrees. My knees should not hit the floor. At this point, I'm pushing from my front leg, pushing up, squeezing my hips and my glute muscles as I come up tall. And then I go back down, repeating. When it comes to waist up, you want to have your core braced and your shoulders roll back. If you're rounded, you're going to put stress on your lower back. Shoulders back, tummy brace, hips tuck under. Those are the three movements or three things you want to check off. And then you go into your lunge. So that is how you master your lunges. Continue to work on this, continue to be consistent, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at it, okay? So this is Coach Jess, and I'll see you on your next how-to video.